Hello students, today we are discussing here the third colligative property, that is depression in freezing point. It is also called cryoscopy. So freezing point is the temperature at which the vapor pressure of a solvent, the vapor pressure of liquid is equal to the vapor pressure of solid. When the vapor pressure of a liquid becomes equal to the vapor pressure of solid. जब liquid और solid phase एक दूसरे के साथ equilibrium में आ जाते हैं, that point is called freezing point. So we are plotting here a graph between vapor pressure and temperature. हमने RLVP में पढ़ा था that the vapor pressure of solution containing non-volatile solute having lower vapor pressure than that of pure solvent. Solution का vapor pressure solvent के vapor pressure से, pure solvent के vapor pressure से कम होगा, and this is the solid phase. This is a pure solvent. So at this point, the vapor pressure of pure solvent becomes equal to the vapor pressure of solid phase. So this is the vapor pressure of, this is the freezing point of pure solvent, and this is the freezing point of solution. Fine. So the freezing point of solution is lower than that of pure solvent, that is delta TF, depression in freezing point. So delta TF is equal to T naught F minus TF. Delta TF is depression in freezing point. T naught F is the freezing point of pure solvent. अगर आपको वाटर दिए हैं तो वाटर का फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस और 273.15 केल्विन. TF is the freezing point of solution containing non-volatile solute. Fine. So now we are doing here derivation. Depression in freezing point is directly proportional to lowering in vapor pressure. Freezing point उतना ही कम होगा जितना vapor pressure कम होगा. वेपर प्रेशर सॉल्यूशन का कम था, इसीलिए उसका फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट भी कम है. लोअरिंग इन वेपर प्रेशर इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू मोल फ्रैक्शन ऑफ नॉन वोलेटाइल सॉल्यूट. वेपर प्रेशर उतना ही कम होगा जितना आप नॉन वोलेटाइल सॉल्यूट ज्यादा ऐड करेंगे. सो डेल्टा पी इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू एक्सपी. By these two equations, delta TF is directly proportional to XB. Delta TF is equal to K into XB. K is the constant of proportionality. So delta TF is equal to K. XB is the mole fraction, that is NB upon NA plus NB. We are dealing here with the colligative property, so the solution is dilute. What does it mean? That the amount of solute is very less than solvent. यहाँ पर NB का अमाउंट सॉल्वेंट से बहुत ज्यादा कम है, इसलिए आप नीचे सॉल्यूशन में NB को निग्लेक्ट कर देंगे. सो NB निग्लेक्टेड. नाउ डेल्टा TF is equal to KF into WB upon MB, WA over MA. WB is the given mass of solute, MB molar mass, WA is the given mass of solvent. K and MA are representing by another constant, that is KF. KF is called molar depression constant, also called cryoscopic constant. K और Ma इज द मोलर मास ऑफ सॉल्वेंट, दोनों को मिलाकर एक अलग ही कांस्टेंट बन गया Kf, मोलर डिप्रेशन कांस्टेंट और आल्सो कॉल्ड क्रायोस्कोपिक कांस्टेंट. Delta TF is equal to Kf into Wb upon Mb into 1000 upon Wa in gram. So this is a very important formula for depression in freezing point. Delta TF is the depression in freezing point. Kf molar depression constant. Wb is the given mass of solute. Mb molar mass of solute. Wa is the given mass of solvent. This is equal to molarity. If molarity is 1, then delta TF is equal to Kf. Now look at the numerical of depression in freezing point. The two elements A and B form two covalent compounds having the molecular formula AB2 and AB4. A और B दो एलिमेंट्स हैं और उन्होंने कंबाइन करके दो कंपाउंड्स बनाए हैं having the molecular formula AB2 and AB4. When dissolved in 20 ग्राम of benzene, अगर आपने 1 ग्राम AB2 को 20 ग्राम बेंजीन में डाला, so it lowers the freezing point by 2.3 Kelvin. So according to this, you are provided here with the Wb, that is 1 gram. 1 gram of AB2 आपने डाला है. This is for AB2. Solvent is 20 gram of benzene. Depression in freezing point is 2.3 Kelvin. Same again, the 1 gram of AB4 lowers it by 1.3 Kelvin. अगर आप AB4 डाल रहे हैं तो freezing point change हो गया 1.3 Kelvin. The molar depression constant for the benzene is 5.1. So Kf is also given to you, that is 5.1. So we are plotting here, putting here the formula. Delta TF is equal to Kf into Wb upon Mb into 1000 upon Wa in gram. That is depression in freezing point, molar depression constant, given mass of solute, molar mass of solute, given mass of solvent. So we have to calculate here molecular mass. So delta TF Mb is equal to Kf into Wb upon delta Tf into 1000 upon Wa. Now put the value here. Kf is given to you, that is 5.1. Wb is 1, 2.3 into 1000, 20. On solving this, you will get 110.87 gram per mole. Now same pattern we are using for AB4. Calculate here the molecular mass of AB4, that is Kf is 5.1, 1. The depression in freezing point is 1.3 Kelvin. अब freezing point का depression change हो गया है 1.3 for AB4 into 1000. Mass of solvent is again same, that is 20. On solving this, you will get 196.15 gram per mole. Now A plus 2B 110.87, A plus 4B, that is 196.15. Change the sign here. A आपके पास कैंसिल हो जाएगा और आपके पास आ जाएगा -2B is equal to 85.28. माइनस कैंसिल कर दो, so B is equal to 85.28 divided by 2. You will get 42.64 gram per mole. Same again. Now put the value of B here. A plus 2, 42.64 is equal to 110.87. So A is equal to 110.87 minus 2, 42.64. Then you will get 25.59 gram per mole. आपके पास B का मॉलिक्यूलर मास आ गया, दैट इज 42.64 और A मॉलिक्यूलर मास इज 25.59 ग्राम पर मोल.